I've got another Amazon wig find for you guys. This one is great for beginners. It's really great for everyone, in my opinion, because this wig is so good. It looks so natural, and I have it in several colors to show you guys today. So let's jump right into it. The info to this wig and the products I use will be in the comment section and the description if you guys are interested. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, the wig that I am going to be trying today is going to be a synthetic lace front wig. Okay, so I am going to get into the construction and let you guys see what it's looking like. It has a textured feel to it. It comes styled as a middle part, and it does have 3 combs within the wig. So it also has adjustable straps, and I went ahead and cut the lace. To style it, I did go ahead and add some hair wax to it, and I did add some product to the parting space just to make it look a little bit more real. And this is the final look in the natural color, you guys. I have all the colors down below in the description and comment section, but this color just looks so good, and I feel like this one would be a great wig for everyday wear, especially for beginners. It didn't take much work, and it's that classic bob length. It's got a little bump to it, but not too much, and even the hair in the front of the face kind of like flows and frames the face really well. So this turned out absolutely beautiful, and I had to make sure that I reminded you guys of how good this wig is. So I did show you guys last week this wig in another color. I'll link this review down below. This color is my favorite color in this wig because the way that they blended this blonde is just like, I don't see that in a lot of wigs, and I think it looks so good in this style. And then I also tried it in this color here, which is more of a fall color, and this is what it looks like in that fall color. I really like that this wig gives you some color, but it also gives you a dark root, and I think that's what makes it look more natural to me, is that it has that nice dark root, and it's blended again really pretty with the color, so it flows really well. You guys let me know which color is your favorite, 1, 2, or 3. I'm gonna have to go with 2, which is that blonde blend, but the natural color would definitely be right after that. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, the information to all these wigs and the products that I use to style, plus more recommendations, is in the description in the comment section of this video. This wig is the beautiful Outre Nisha Soft and Natural 206. Okay, and I'm gonna give you guys a 360 view and let you see what it looks like, let you see what the back looks like. But I definitely recommend this wig. I think that it's a beautiful unit in multiple colors, and it's definitely one of my favorites when I'm looking for an everyday style, especially a bob. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the comments of this video and my next video very soon. Bye.